Alright, so this is a LG Stylo 6, and so what's going on is the fingerprint scanner doesn't work. So every time I click on it, it's giving me, oh, this is the wrong fingerprint, wrong fingerprint. I've tried clearing the cache, I've tried resetting the phone, none of that worked. So what I did, I purchased a backplate. Purchased a backplate that comes with the fingerprint already in there. And it comes with the lenses for the camera, not the actual camera. And I'm gonna take the back plate of the phone off, and I'm gonna see if that works. Alright, so I've got the back plate off, and the way you get this off is you take one of these thin tools right here, and you get in between. Let me see if you can see it. You get in between here, and it's glued on, so you gotta kind of cut through that adhesive just to get it off. I wouldn't suggest using a heat gun or something like that if you don't have experience, and plus a heat gun might destroy some of these components in the back. But after that, you pretty much just place the new one in. So this is the old one. I'm going to chuck this to the side, and I'm going to put the replacement on. So I'm going to slap this replacement on. Alright, I can confirm that changing out this back plate, this is the old one, that actually fix the fingerprint scanning issue. So now I'm able to unlock the phone with my fingerprint. I would also suggest that just don't clean. If you do clean this, clean it with a like a dry piece of paper towel. Don't use alcohol wipes. I think what happened was I was using like a lot of alcohol wipes to clean my phone, and I was cleaning this part, and I think that's what messed it up. But if that works, let me know. Thanks.